What it be? Thundering. Yeah, I've never heard this word. Give me a prize. Never heard this word. Thundering experience. Wow. I'm in touch with my school friends since we were 3 years old. But here are a bunch of young people, and nowadays they say that are you guys connecting? And it's so nice to know that you'll have friends from how many years?
It's been 34.
34 years.
30,
Approximately. Let them sit. So this is a bunch of people who've been together for 34 years. You all must have gone all over the...
30 years.
Okay, 30 years. Not bad. Still 3 decades.
33.
So now as a set of friends, they came to Goa and they went sailing. But that was sail. And tell us, did it make your bonding stronger? Come on, I'm putting words in your mouth. But how was your experience as friends doing this activity together?
Really nice.
Huh.
One is that I can say trust is more important.
Okay.
I could feel that.
Yeah.
These guys have a trust on me because when I was doing the sailing,
Huh.
so they had trust.
Huh.
And they were they didn't panic.
Huh.
So he was little panicked and then
Huh.
he doesn't like water. And but still he was sitting there.
Ah.
So
So you trusted your
but
friends.
I
Huh.
told him I'm there.
Huh.
After that he stopped.
Okay, so business lesson in trust. They came for fun,
Yes.
but they learned a business lesson. So if you are taken care of and there is safety, then you can just forget about it and enjoy it. And even though you're scared, and even a mechanical engineer forgot his engineering.
I was literally I have a water phobia. First of all, I don't go inside water.
Wow.
And then but
Okay.
Compared to me, these guys were little strange. But when I went inside the water, they started no, Bharat, I am not liking it. I will let me go back. I'm scared. If something happens. But the safety, whatever they had given, I had confidence and I didn't scare at all. Even the boat was going side. I was little confident and I was.
Wow.
And because that is a trust that they are there.
Yeah, they're
Because
there.
people are there around us and then they will any which ways. Even if we fall, that is also an experience.
True.
And they'll
I
save
mean,
us.
we hope you don't fall, but those who have fallen, there have been people who've fallen, right? And the boat can capsize. But because they like it, actually they come back and say that was the best experience. It's so much fun,
Yeah.
So as you mentioned, we have water phobia.
Okay, water phobia. Please note all
We
people
don't
who
have
tell
swimming.
me water phobia here, they both. Lots of people come and say.
No one knows swimming.
No one knows swimming.
And we have anxiety.
So
No one knows swimming, water phobia and anxiety, and look at the faces. Big smile, okay? I have a line which says, we convert fear to joy.
Yes.
So let's see the fear and now the joy, guys. Okay, so that's so wonderful. So firstly, again, friendship. We call it knotting together. Knotting, nodding together. So I hope you all have all knotted together more. And this memory will bind you and bond you so that you remember your friends, each other. As you sail into the next year, 2025, I wish you fair winds, as we sailors say. Winds of health and wealth and happiness and joy and peace. So all the best for the next year, and thank you for sailing with us.
Thank you so much.